Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about something that's been shaking up the business world in India, artificial intelligence. It wasn't too long ago that AI was just a buzzword, but now we are in the midst of an exciting story of how AI is revolutionizing the way businesses operate in India. In fact, a recent State of AI 2022 report revealed that organizations in India are leading the way in AI adoption and data maturity, surpassing even the US and the UK. It's clear that India is quickly becoming a digital-ready nation, and businesses are gearing up to be future-ready by harnessing the power of AI. One of the driving forces behind this adoption is India's connected millennial consumer. With the young generation increasingly turning to online shopping, communication, and entertainment, businesses must adapt and offer personalized experiences. AI presents the opportunity to understand customers better and deliver tailored solutions, giving businesses a competitive edge in this ever-evolving landscape. But it's not just about personalization, AI has the power to transform all industries. In the banking sector, AI bots and digital payments have revolutionized risk mitigation and customer experience. While in fintech, AI has enabled faster credit evaluations and automated underwriting processes. In the insurance sector, AI is being leveraged for fraud prevention and streamlining claims processing. And in media and entertainment, AI algorithms help companies study individual users to offer personalized experiences. It's clear that AI is the driving force behind personalization, instant gratification, and deeper engagement, all key factors for business success today. By tapping into AI-enabled technologies, organizations can generate business value, whether it is through augmenting human capability, expanding efficiencies, growing revenue, or increasing customer engagement. The time is now for companies still mulling over AI adoption. Its latest worldwide artificial intelligence spending guide predicts that Asia/Pacific spending on AI systems will rise from $17.6 billion in 2022 to around $32 billion in 2025. Companies that have embraced AI have already started reaping its benefits, and those that don't risk falling behind in the race for the future. So buckle up, because AI is here to stay, and it's changing the game in India and beyond. If you like our effort or we added 1% value in your life, please consider subscribing this channel and become part of IQ Fusion Global community.